Akiaria thutha wa guthurima nyumba iyo, Minister wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Naikuru Francis Mwangi augite mateta megimaine na nyumba ya supermarket iyo iri maumanite na muingi kuria augite no nginyagia mafuatirire waki wa nyumba iyo.
We have seen with eyes that there are some structural issues that need to be sorted.
Oho Mwangi ni augite hindi ya birigiceni ya guthurima wagiriru wa nyumba iyo ni maronire kwina kundu kwagirirwo ni guthondekwo na gutingithondekwo biacara igithiaga na mbere.
I have instructed my officers to issue the relevant enforcement notices for closure as the matter is sorted. We need to get independent structural engineers reports from our various concerned departments for this matter to be addressed.
Ene supermarket iyo ni merite aruti wa wira matikaingire wira kuma muthenya wa umuthi kuhe kanya uthondeki wa nyumba iyo.
We did an inspection yesterday, and we also have concern for the members of the public. And for us to be sure that members of the public are safe, we issued a closure notice, and we are only going to consider opening this building when we get the reports from the relevant authorities confirming that the building is safe for occupation.
Girifotera Kameme TV, chitagwo Wanjiru, wa Boro.